Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I come back with another video. This is a Lenovo Y50 model laptop, and you can see the display is problem like this. And you can see guys, this display have little bit problem here. And now I will open and check the display problem or cable. First I have to remove all the screw and back cover, okay, and shut down the laptop, and then remove the battery connection. After that I will remove the display connection, or otherwise I will lose the laptop. If you do not remove the battery or charging jack, if you remove the display connection, sometimes display light IC have problem. So guys, now I will shut down the PC and I try to replace display and check it's working or not. So guys, my laptop is shut down, and now I will remove the battery connection. Okay, you can remove the display connection and reconnect the display connection also, you can check it. So I just move the cable and check this problem, the cable or display. Now again power on display and check, still have the same problem. So it's problem the display, I think. See, still have the same problem. So I shut down computer, remove the battery connection, and now I open the display. This display is slim, okay, and after open, here is the 4 screw, have to remove. In the corner of all the display have 4 screw, I have to remove this. And guys, here is the display, is small pin, LED slim small pin. Okay, have to change the display and check it. So guys, here is new display, and I connect the new display. I have to done connect the new display, and I just put 2 screw. Okay, and now I go back, connect the battery connection. Now I check. See guys, this display is working. Okay, so first display is problem, this main display is problem, and this display is working perfectly. See guys, this display is very good working. Another display have here is the problem, so it's working perfectly. If you have problem like this, you can change the display. Now I will return back the old display, check it is working or no. So guys, you see I put the old display and it is giving same light, this problem. So this display is damaged, I have to change the replace the display. If your laptop is problem like this, so you have to change the display. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video and hit the bell icon. Thank you, have a nice day.